Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
क्या आप ऐसे किसी को जानते हैं जो कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने शक्ल के किसी फीचर को लेकर अपसेट रहता है, या अपने बालों को लेकर खुश नहीं है और हर बार कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करता है? इट मे बी अ साइन और सिम्टम of body dysmorphic disorder or BDD. BDD is a mental disorder in which a person is preoccupied with an imagined physical defect or a minor defect that others often cannot see. As a result, people with this disorder see themselves as ugly and often avoid social exposure or even turn to or wish to turn to plastic surgery to try and improve their appearance. So the next time you feel someone is being too vain, try taking a step back and look at that person with more empathy and compassion, because above all, that is the bedrock of better mental health awareness. BDD के बारे में पहली बार 1891 में एक इटालियन साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने लिखा था as per an essay by A.R. Singh. लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि ये तो उन्हीं को होता है जो शायद एक स्टैंडर्ड बॉडी या फेस टाइप में फिट नहीं होते, well, मार्च 2021 में एक्टर इलियाना डिक्रूज ने बताया that she suffers from body dysmorphia. We might say all shapes and sizes are best, but well, we do have a certain standard way of looking, आदमी और औरत दोनों के लिए. और अगर आपको लग रहा है ये तो विदेशी बीमारी है या ये अमीरों की बीमारी है, let me share some information. In a recent interview with the Indian Express, Dr. Mayunath Reddy, consultant psychiatrist, यशोदा हॉस्पिटल्स हैदराबाद ने बताया कि इंडिया में ही लगभग 10 लाख केसेस हर साल मिलते हैं बॉडी डिस्मॉर्फिया के. इसके बारे में बात कम होती है, लेकिन ये एग्जिस्ट करता है बड़े तादाद में. The anxiety or nervousness produced by thoughts that you are not enough or that आपके appearance में major issues है often leads to an urgent need to perform certain rituals or routines. A person preoccupied with a defect often performs certain behaviors such as constantly looking in a mirror or picking at the skin. People with BDD eventually become so obsessed with the defect that their social, work and home functioning suffers. What are some of the defects or imperfections that someone with BDD focuses upon? Skin imperfections. These include wrinkles, scars, acne and blemishes. Hair. This might include head or body hair or absence of hair or loss of hair. Facial features. Very often this involves the nose, but it also might involve the shape and size of any other feature. Body weight. Sufferers may obsess about their weight or muscle tone. What are some of the symptoms of body dysmorphic disorder? Engaging in repetitive behaviors, जैसे कि looking in a mirror, picking at the skin, or trying to hide or cover up the perceived defect. Constantly asking for reassurance that the defect is not visible or too obvious. Experiencing problems at work or school or in relationships due to the inability to stop focusing about the perceived defect. Feeling self-conscious and not wanting to go out in public, or feeling anxious when around other people. Repeatedly consulting with medical specialists such as plastic surgeons or dermatologists to find ways to improve their appearance. BDD का exact cause is not known. One theory suggests the disorder involves a problem with the size of functioning of certain brain areas that process information about body appearance. The fact that BDD often occurs in people जिनके already existing mental health disorders है, such as depression or anxiety, further supports a biological basis for the disorder. Other factors that might influence the development or of triggering BDD include बचपन में कोई भी traumatic event या experience, low self-esteem, parents and others who were critical of the person's appearance. एक और चीज़ है जो इसे aggravate करती है, सोशल मीडिया. क्योंकि लोग सोशल मीडिया में नो मेकअप के नाम पे भी मेकअप पिक्चर्स डालते हैं, एंड अक्सर ये हम भूल जाते हैं दैट अ नेचुरल लुक इज नॉट सो नेचुरल. डॉक्टर रेड्डी अपने इंटरव्यू में बताते हैं कि जिनमें बीडीडी के होने के आसार ऑलरेडी है, सोशल मीडिया उन लोगों में एक ट्रिगर की तरह काम करता है. इसका ट्रीटमेंट 2 तरीके से हो सकता है. नंबर 1, कॉग्निटिव बिहेवियरल थेरेपी, एंड नंबर 2, मेडिकेशन. Cognitive behavioral therapy for body dysmorphic disorder focuses on helping you learn how negative thoughts, emotional reactions, and behaviors maintain problems over time. Challenging automatic negative thoughts about your body image and learning more flexible ways of thinking. learning alternate ways to handle urges or rituals to help reduce mirror checking or reassurance seeking, teaching you other behaviors to improve your mental health, such as addressing social avoidance. In terms of medication, even though कोई specific medication नहीं है BDD के लिए, elective serotonin reuptake inhibitors नाम का antidepressants are often used. Therapy और medication के combination से BDD patients को काफ़ी हद तक relief मिलता है एंड स्कोप भी कि वो इसको कंट्रोल कर सके. कहा जाता है द मिरर नेवर लाइज. शायद इसलिए ही मूवीज में भी मिरर के सामने खड़े होकर लोग अपने आप से बातें करते हैं. बट समटाइम्स इवन आवर माइंड्स कैन लाई टू अस, सो वी नीड टू मैनेज आवर थॉट्स सो दैट दे डोंट एंड अप हार्मिंग आवर सेल्फ इमेज. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस एपिसोड ऑफ माइंड ओवर मैटर. अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. And please follow us on our social media handles. This is Tina Das for The Print signing off.